Hello everyone, welcome again to Geography's Chapter 3, Our Changing Earth, Part 4. As you all have already known that two earth movements, that is endogenic and exogenic forces, cause different changes in landforms both inside and outside the earth. Now here we are going to study another exogenic forces in detail, that is work of sea waves. In this topic, first of all, we let us come to understand what actually is mean by sea waves. By the name sea, we can understand it's a watery part, the oceanic side, and waves means the pressure or force of air. So in coastal areas, the sea is constantly eroding the old landforms and creating new ones. Eroding the old landforms means with continuous hitting, or you can say the collision of the waves, seawater, when it is hitting again and again on the landforms, the appearance it is eroded, and the appearance is the creating of new ones. New formations of landforms appears. Then next, erosional and depositional work is performed by seawater with the help of sea waves. In the previous topic, you have already read about erosion. Erosion means moving away of any of the thing from one place to another. So when the rocks are being hit by the water, with the force of water, they broke. After breaking, it is being eroded and then deposited towards the other side. That all these things we are going to see in the sea waves. Even hard rocks are broken by sea wave colliding in the coast. So the results which we see in the coastal side, that also we will study in detail. Nextly is cliffs. Now these are the different features which we are going to see of the natural beauty. One of the image which you are seeing here, it is actually a sea cliff. Cliff means the edge, the shore area where we are going to see. Vertical and steep rocks faces along the shore are called the cliffs, with the rocks which are facing the seaside. Sea cliffs are formed when waves crash against a high rocky coast near the base. With the passage of time, the rocks above the hollowed part collapse and so known as the cliffs. Means when the sea waves are coming and colliding with the rocks continuous for a day, two, then years and years and years, and this is how the formations are being changed with the passage of time. It's not a thing of few time period. It takes a long process means you can say like the diastrophic forces there, in the same way this also take years of process to come towards this scenic beauty. After this cliffs, we come towards the caves. Caves means, as you can see here, a beautiful natural scene. This no human being has done. As you think that human being came and they just made the caves and they tried to live over here. No, it's not the human made. It's a natural cave which is being made with the force, or you can say the pressure of the sea waves. When strong waves break and erode the rock material along the coast, hollow caves called sea caves are formed, hitting, and this is how breaking of the rock, and so we find this beautiful thing. After this caves, we come towards the arches. First of all, you have seen the cliff, means the mountain, the shore area. Then you saw the caves, means hitting of the water, and the caves are being formed. After caves, you will see the arches. Arches, everybody is aware of the interior in the houses related to the arches, but this is one of the arch which the nature has made, which the beautiful God's beautiful thing is there. So in this arches, with the force of the water, the rocks are eroded and they fell down and the arch is being made. When the waves continue to strike the rocks, the walls of the caves are eroded further. Eroded means the rock which fell down, they are being eroded. They are taken away from one place to other side with the waves of the water. In the course of time, the walls disappear, leaving just the roof supported by two pillars, forming the sea arches. So this is how we can see the sea arches. So you can imagine that how much of long process it takes. First of all, the sea cliffs are there in natural way, then caves are made, then arches are being made. So nobody is sitting here and making it. It is the natural process which goes on with thousands of years of processing. After this, we are having the stacks. Now, what are these stacks? See the picture. When the roof of the sea arch is further eroded, it collapses. Collapses means the arch which was being made, it fell down. It collapsed. Now these are termed as stacks. The part which is lonely, you can see one single rock part which is being in the vertical side, that is known as the stacks. This is also a process of hundreds, or you can say the thousands of years of natural thing to be going on, process to be going on. Then let us come towards the beaches. Children, you all are aware of the beaches. Maybe many of you have seen the beaches of your country also. So water beaches, they are formed when the sea deposits eroded materials like sand, pebbles and boulders along the coast. Sand, as you all know, very fine particles of the rock. Pebbles means a bigger size of rocks, pebbles, and boulders means the rocks which you cannot pick it up. So these are the things which are in the seashore area. They are known as the beaches. In our country, India, we are having beautiful beaches like Kovalam in Kerala, Ganpati Phule and Juhu in Maharashtra, then beaches of Goa and Puri in Odisha. So these are the beautiful scenes and sights which we are having in nature, and they are actually the work of the force. The exogenic forces are there and work of sea waves. Under this topic, I hope you all have understand with the help of the images, pictures which are being shown here. Now in the next we will be coming to study about work of waves, winds. So let's all compile here. God bless you all. Thank you.